If you ever need to remove your X or Twitter account from another device, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and safest way to do it. This is a really important security step. If you've signed in on a shared computer, a friend's phone, an old laptop, or any device you no longer use. By the end of this video, you'll know how to sign out of every other active session on your account in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a browser on your PC and go to the official X website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're inside your account, look at the left sidebar and click More. This opens up the full menu of settings and account options. From there, go down to Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your security and account controls. After that, click Security and Account Access. This section is where you can manage login activity, connected apps, and device sessions. It's the area you want to use whenever you need to check where your account is signed in. Next, click Apps and Sessions. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to account access. What you want here is Sessions. This page shows the devices and browser sessions that are currently using your account. It's a very useful place to confirm whether your account is signed in anywhere you don't recognize. Now look for the option that says Log out all other sessions. This is the key step. When you click it, X will sign your account out everywhere except the device you're currently using. That means any other phone, tablet, laptop, or browser that was logged in will be disconnected from your account. If you're trying to remove access from a device you no longer own, this is one of the best ways to do it quickly. It helps protect your account, your messages, your posts, and your personal information. After you log out all other sessions, it's also a good idea to change your password if you think someone else may have had access for a while. You should also check your account recovery email and phone number while you're in the security settings. That way you can make sure everything is up to date and no one can get back into your account without permission. If you use the same password on other sites, updating that password there is a smart extra step too. And that's it! You've now removed your X account from other devices by logging out all other sessions. It's quick, simple, and one of the most effective ways to secure your account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.